Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. This lab guide is on how to enable Microsoft Authenticator App for Authentication Method for Microsoft Entra ID users. The Microsoft Authenticator App provides an additional level of security to your Microsoft Entra ID user account and is available for Android and iOS. With the Microsoft Authenticator App, users can authenticate in a passwordless way during sign-in or as an additional verification option during self-service password reset or multi-factor authentication events. Users may receive a notification through a mobile app for them to approve or deny, or use the Authenticator app to generate a verification code that can be entered in a sign-in interface. If you enable both a notification and verification code, users who register the Authenticator app can use either method to verify their identity. Access Microsoft Entra Admin Center as a global administrator. Click on Go to ID Protection. Click on Show More, then click on Security Center. Under Manage, select Authentication Methods. Under Method, click on Microsoft Authenticator. Currently, it is not enabled. Click on Microsoft Authenticator. Click on Enable to enable Microsoft Authenticator settings. As a base practice, create a pilot group to contain users who will be testing the Microsoft Authenticator app for Authentication Method. Choose Select Group option. Click on Add Groups. Select Pilot Group, name Northwest Cells. Click on Select. Each added group is enabled by default to use Microsoft Authenticator app in both passwordless and push notification modes. To change this, for each row, you can choose the authentication mode. Click on this drop-down arrow to choose authentication mode for that particular group. Choosing push prevents the use of the passwordless phone sign-in credential. To apply the new policy, click on Save. Microsoft Authenticator Authentication Method is currently enabled for one group. Open New in Private window. Type myaccount.microsoft.com and press Enter key. After entering the username from the user who is the member of a pilot group, click on Next. Enter user's password and click on Sign In. Choose Approve a Request on Microsoft Authenticator app option for MFA. Open Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile and enter this number to sign in. After entering the number, click on Yes in Microsoft Authenticator application. After successful multi-factor authentication, user will sign in to My Account portal. The user has successfully signed in to My Account portal. In this lab guide, you learn how to enable Microsoft Authenticator app for Authentication Method for Microsoft Entra ID users. That's all for this lab guide. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you all in the next lab guide.